Hi everyone. I'm in this garden and guys, check it out. Just take a look at the grass, how green it is. For those of you, my YouTube besties, who cannot make it outside, I just want to bring Mother Nature to you guys. So enjoy. Look at those plants over there. Guys, take a look. Look at those trees. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. Sit out here and enjoy the scenery. Guys, take a look. I hope you guys enjoy, the outdoors with me. Guys, I just want all my YouTube besties to feel special. So I say, why not? I know a few guys cannot make it outside, and sometimes the pollen is so bad out here. A lot of people have asthma and stuff. So guys, I would like you guys to enjoy. And this is the entry, guys. Enjoy. Just look at those plants. Look, guys. Look. I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I am enjoying it. Guys, this is so relaxing. So listen to the birds. Can you hear the birds, guys? Just listen to them chirping in the back. Listen to them, guys. So beautiful. So peaceful. So peaceful.